An air purifier with a True HEPA filter is able to capture 99.99% of airborne particles including pet dander, dust, and allergens. The Winix WAC9500 is the ultimate air purifier with a True HEPA filter and the latest PlasmaWave technology. It comes with a washable carbon filter so you won't have to worry about replacements for a long time. Not only does it remove particles from the air, but dust and household odors as well. An anti-microbial filter is also included, which catches larger particles. This protects the carbon filter and extends the life of the purifier. The Winix purifier uses smart sensors to detect the levels of dust and allergens in your home and automatically adjusts the controls to the optimal settings. The Winix WAC9500 is the largest model Winix have made and is suitable for medium to large-sized rooms. It has a 5-stage filtration system which includes a washable antibacterial pre-filter, a True HEPA filter for removing 99.99% of particles down to 0.3 microns, nano silver treatment, advanced odor control carbon filter, and PlasmaWave technology. For the full review, where it's in stock, and how much it costs, visit www.airpurifierratings.net.